Hey everyone, welcome to TechScale. So this is OnePlus 8 Pro and I have a surprise for you people. Just let me show you. Hang on there. This is Gcam and here as you can see we go to video and here just have a look. What do we have here? We have 8K mode in OnePlus 8 Pro, and to be honest, even in the camera section we now can shoot 48 MP shots with our camera in our awesome OnePlus 8 Pro. Already the camera was great, but now a developer named Arnova have ported a Gcam that will allow you to shoot 8K videos for that. And to know the full procedure how you can do that, please watch the video to the end. I'll be guiding you with all the details. Right, let's start the video now. So the number one thing that you have to do is you have to download this Gcam version. This particular version I can show you. I hope it's here. This particular build you have to download it, and the link will be in the description as well as on the Telegram channel of TechScale. And as you can see, I have already the file here. I'll be simply sharing it in the group after I upload the video, right? So you can directly download it from there, and you can click on here and you simply install, and this file will get installed, right? So after you install the file, there is another XML file that you have to download. The link will be in the description and on the Telegram and Discord server as well. So do join the Telegram or Discord server, whatever is convenient to you. After you install, you have to click on this file and you have to allow all the permissions to this, right? Just like this. And now what you have to do is you have to now as you can see, just to give you a demo, since you can see in the video option, if you see clearly, there is no option for 8K right now. This is 4K as you can see, right? So what you have to do is you have to double or triple tap here, right? As you can see, you have to double alt or triple tap here and you will automatically get this configuration file here. And how you can do that, I will also guide you that. And after you update, click on this update, you will automatically come here. Now as you can see, the camera gets a little bit blurred because now it's shooting a raw image with 48 megapixel mode. I can even show you that just in a second. Now let's go to the video section, and in the video section, if I drag it down, just see the magic. Now we are having 8K recording in our phone, and I'll be also shooting the 8K camera samples, and I'll be uploading a separate video for that. This video just meant how you can install it in your device. So the thing that you have to do is now the main thing that you have to do. Okay, so first of all, you have to go to your file manager. As you can see in the file manager, you have to go to the internal storage, and internal storage you have to create a new folder with the name of Gcam, just like this, Gcam. Now the folder will not be created because I have already created the folder here. As you can see, if I go down, I have already a folder Gcam that I just created today itself. So I'll click on that, and in this folder I'm gonna make another folder with the name configs8, right? This will be the folder configs8 that you will be creating in your phone. After this, you have to paste the XML file that I will be giving in the Telegram, and as well as the link will be in the description. So you have to download this file and place it in the internal storage in Gcam folder, and in the Gcam in the config8 folder, right? After you do that, you go to your Gcam here, Gcam, and double tap here. After you double tap here, this config file will automatically show up on your device, and you simply have to update it. The camera will restart and you will get the 8K video on your phone, the 8K shooting on your phone, right? So this procedure is super easy. So for some users there can be an issue. There will be an issue. I'll just guide you how the issue will be. Okay, so in the permissions, in the files, due to some reasons, some users might have this issue. For example, when you click on this and when you double tap, it will say device out of storage. So to address that issue, what you have to do is you have to keep pressing the icon of the camera, go to I button, and now in the permissions, and now in the files and media, you have to give permission management of all files, right? So when you click on this, allow, and after you go, this will be gone and you will be able to directly update the file and 8K will be available on your phone. So that was all. That was a simple procedure, and again telling you the link will be in the Telegram channel as well as on the Discord server for both XML files as well as the Gcam link. So do download it from there and do subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'll be also doing a 8K video test for OnePlus 8 Pro. If you're interested, share it with your friends and do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video very soon. Bye bye.